you've covered the allegations, and to be fair to them, I want to point out that COMELEC has also belied those allegations, and also Miro itself has said those allegations of election failures were false. Let's put that aside for a second, and what I wanted to ask you is, in the petition, it states only your name as a petitioner, but I wanted to know if you are in any way representing Smartmatic or any of the other bidders.
No, iba yung petition ng Smartmatic, and I think the decision of the ruling of the Supreme Court is right. Tama na ibalik yung karapatan ng Smartmatic, ibalik yung kanyang dignidad, pero hindi naman pwedeng pigilan yung proseso ng COMELEC. Tama yon. Ngayon, sa akin naman iba. Ang sinasabi ko, yung 18 billion na to, may corruption dito. Yung Miro machines, illegal ang paggamit nito. Yung proseso, hindi nasunod. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Bakit ngayon lang? Simple lang. 3 hearings, umattend ako, hindi na ipapaliwanag na COMELEC, hindi nagkakaroon ng demonstration at walang transparency dito. In fact, Marizel, natatanda ako, nandun ako sa yung inspection ng mga warehouse factories ng mga voting machine. Ginagawa yan. Pinapupunta yung mga congressman, pinapupunta yung Philippine media para inspeksyonin. May preparation. Ngayon, nag-announce ngayong week na to, ang COMELEC, magkakaroon ng inspection ng COMELEC next week sa Korea. Walang imbitatong congressman. Paano pa makakapunta yung media? Kukuha pa ng visa. Next week na, immediate. Talagang medyo may tinatago dito.
To be fair, it's not common naman talaga for local media to fly all the way to another country to cover yung events like that.
Pero during that time, nagpunta sa Taiwan to inspect.
Congressman Erice, you are on the line with Attorney Rex Laudianco, COMELEC spokesperson. You heard all of his rebuttals. Na-invite naman pala ang media to Korea as well as other election observers.
I will respond one by one. Una, sinabi niya, ang COMELEC po ang nagsabi na lahat ng machines na yan ay in good working condition at ayos pa. Hindi po ako ang nagsabi na ayos yan, na hindi yan na ayos yan, kundi sila mismo nag-certify. Isa-isa, sinertify nila that the machines, the 97,000 machines, in 2022, after the election, sinertify na COMELEC, they are in good working condition, meron niyang warranty. Pero pagkatapos nun, after a few months, dineclare nila na unserviceable. At sila rin mismo ang nagsabi na walang spare parts. Kaya nila dineclare na unserviceable. Na hindi naman nila nakita na doon sa kontrata na pinasok sa purchase agreement ng Smartmatic at ng COMELEC, obligated ang Smartmatic to provide spare parts. So nagko-kontra-kontra yung mismong COMELEC, yung COMELEC resolution. Sinabi nila, lahat yan, working condition. Tapos after a few months, sabi nila, lahat yan sira, walang spare parts. Meron naman.
Okay.
Pangalawa,
sorry, Congressman.
hindi sinasabi na machine lang ang prototype. Ang sinasabi ko, the system. OMR, DRE, hindi pa nagagamit ng Miro in any national elections here and abroad. So it's up to the Supreme Court to interpret the law.